everyone, this is Samantha here at the Restore, here to talk a little bit about reclaimed and used building materials and how to use and reuse them. Fun fact that's not so fun, each year in the United States we throw away enough building materials to make 2 counties worth of buildings. That's a lot of buildings that we could make and a lot of wasted material. All of that material just languishes in the landfill when we could actually be using it and reusing it. Here at the Restore, we work really hard to make sure that that building material doesn't go to waste. We are a place where community members can bring materials that they no longer want and where they can shop for those materials. We also go out into the community to rescue materials that otherwise are a little bit hard to keep out of the landfill. We'll come to you and take out your kitchen cabinets, your flooring, get rid of that old shed or deck, and bring all that material back to the Restore. All that material gets processed and then it's available for sale at about 50% of what you can find in big box stores, which is really great. By keeping prices affordable, we ensure that you, your neighbors, your community members are able to afford building materials that otherwise would be too expensive. This means that everyone can get the materials they need to make sure that their house is ready, is fun, is safe, is comfortable. We're open Tuesday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're here during those hours to help you with your projects and make sure your needs are getting met. And for anyone that's unable to shop in store, we have an online store, which is really exciting. You can visit that at shop.re-store.org. If you look in our online store and you're not quite seeing what you need, you can give us a call at 360-647-5921 and we'll do our best to help you find the materials that you need. We look forward to seeing you soon and can't wait to help you with your projects. Bye.